All right, so here's another Garmin, slightly different model. Okay, this one actually says what it is. So that would be Garmin nuvi 2455 LM. All right, says untested, so let's see. Okay, map update notice. All right, okay. So the good thing is the touch screen is working. So let's see if we have settings. Yeah, the color looks probably weird on. Yeah, I don't know how much you can see because it feels like it's the nighttime. Brightness 20. Okay, let's see if we can. Okay, daytime. All right. But yeah, it doesn't matter. So right now we don't need to do it. So we could put it in auto. And yeah, stuff seems to be working here. All right, nice. Can we turn it off? Yep. All right, seems to be working. Still need to test, but no obvious issues. All right, I played around with this device some more, and by played I mean tested and did some map updates and software updates, and there are absolutely no issues with this device, so that's actually great. Even battery is, let's see if we can turn it on. Yep. Even battery is working, so okay, let's switch back to the day mode again. But as you can see right now I'm running on the battery and I didn't actually replace it. All I had to do is to charge it. Okay, display. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna be easier to see. And what else did I do here? Yeah, so the nice thing about this device, as I mentioned, that the model name is 2455 LM, and LM stands for lifetime map updates. So basically, once you have this device, you can just go to the regular Garmin Express software, which is free, and can download map updates. Well, at least for North America, I believe, for City Navigator, forever. So they claim. Certainly, I was able to update the maps to 2023 version, even though it's not 2023 yet. Okay, so let's see, where was that? The device. Yeah, there's some information about it here. No, not here. Link maps. My maps. Yeah. As you can see, so the base map, not the base maps, the original maps that were installed here are City Navigator North America from 2014, and that's the full map which is in here. And on top of that, I installed, as you can see, 2023.20, just a few areas. The reason for that, you can, and I can, update this whole device with the full City Navigator maps to 2023. However, they actually take nowadays more space than there is in this device built in. I think it's about 4 gigs flash built in. And I think 2023 maps take like 6.5 gig or something like that. So bottom line is what you need to have is an extra micro SD card plugged in here of at least 4 gigs, I think they say. And then you would be able to upgrade the maps to the latest version, or do the same thing as I did and basically piecemeal just the areas that you care about. You can do it in Garmin Express, but you can do it in what's the other software they use, Basecamp. Yeah. So, but again, apart from that, so there are options on the maps here, like either you update the whole thing with the extra SD card or just go smaller areas what you care about. Yeah, everything else is working. Yeah, so you see, like, we are still running on the battery, no issues whatsoever. Got the lock on GPSs, and yeah, another device ready to go. Remember, $1 on average. That's a pretty great deal, if I say so myself. All right. See you in the next episodes.